Hello, ladies.
Hi.
You're not registered. You're gonna need to go to the helpline.
Who was supposed to register us? Can you sort it, please? And where's Derek?
Hey, Dick. Hi.
Alan!
Adam.
It's Richard now.
Oh,
Alan and
Adam?
used to work for me until he ran off to start his own company, taking two of my best engineers with him.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
There you are, Derek. Where's the, Okay. Always one more. You don't need any of this stuff?
Oh, it's a lot of sharding layer. No, I don't need all the baggage. I actually built our startup on MongoDB.
That NoSQL toy? Why on earth would you need TangoDB?
It's MongoDB.
Okay, well, I guess it's okay for a little startup like yours.
Well, actually, not so little. We just reached 1 million active users.
1 million?
Yeah.
On that niche database?
MongoDB's used by like 70% of the Fortune 100.
70%.
Yeah, it's been nice not juggling all these bolt-ons and extensions.
Well, we've always done it that way. Relational databases have been around forever.
Well, Dick, it might be time to start thinking outside the bolt-on box. I mean, you could take a 10-hour Uber ride here, but why would you when you can fly?
I could have flown here.
There's always more than one way to get to the same destination. Okay.
Tell me more about BongoDB.
Bongos are an African-Cuban percussion instrument. Would you like to hear more?
I got him.
Okay.
Why is Derek wet?